technical analysis is also showing a lot of bullishness. Longest shutdown we have ever had. Retail got $2,000 and they gambled it away. Every project out there that's pumping has control of their token. The market cannot recover on its own. Very key important things that we want to take a look at is basically the government shutdown finally lifting, why it's such a big, important factor. For the last month, we've just had a lot of bearishness, but we just got news today that the government has finally agreed on terms, and now they're pushing forward with the whole process to essentially end the government shutdown, get something signed. Once it's all signed and done, then finally we'll have the money printer go back online. But now we're getting very bullish news, and that is this right here that you just saw like 5 seconds ago. President Trump says Americans will get at least a $2,000 dividend payment excluding high income earners. So this is essentially the exact same as COVID, right? So COVID, people, like all of the American citizens got $2,000, and what did they do with that? They gambled it away on shitcoins. Why would it change? Do you think people learn? Of course not. That's why we've gotten liquidated a million times, right? But we keep on doing the same fucking thing. I really think that a lot of this money is gonna go right back into the markets, right? And then if someone's like, oh, hey, bro, I got this cool meme coin, fucking whatever, Wolf token, go buy it, right? Then everyone will start basically injecting that into the markets, and we'll get a nice little rally. Michael Seller says buying more Bitcoin. We know by now he buys very small amounts, but it seems like he's buying more often, but still small amounts. Before he was buying massive amounts. If he does manage to raise a bunch of money and buy a massive amount, then we would definitely see it on the order books. Right now you see Bitcoin on the top right. The CVD is showing some sell pressure, but the price just won't dump. It's just chilling up there. So, I mean, I'm pretty bullish, man. So, quick little update on Wolf. If you guys don't know, this is Wolf token right here. $426,000. It's been dumping tremendously, massively. Unfortunately, it's just been a dump fest. I have been just buying back, especially at these lower ranges, because I think it's just honestly way too cheap. But today, since we dumped down so low after it seems like a whale basically rage quit, I decided to buy in with my own bag, another like $2,200, and am going to look to accumulate some more coins down at these ranges, specifically because now our hyperliquid is done and complete. So like I've told you guys before, once our hyperliquid front end is completed, I will have the devs work on creating the bridge, and then I also have them looking into creating a arbitrage bot specifically for the LP pools that I'm gonna add on Wolf token, so that after I add the pools and everything, then it will automatically have volumes coming in from the arbitrage, right? Yeah, I think that this is bottom for orderly. I just wouldn't expect, again, I wouldn't expect a massive pump. One thing I'm looking for, by the way, I actually have my take profits over here at 43, 44. I actually think it's at 45 to be honest. But it'd probably be better to do it at 43. And this is a very key level, liquidity level right here, which is where the daily candles end, which is right there. So from now at 18 cents to 44 cents would be a very nice. And you can make a lot of money not even buying leverage. You can just buy spot, which is something I would highly recommend. But yeah, this is basically 140% profits versus a potential downside of 18.85%. Oh, STRK has ZEC founders behind it and is apparently an L2 to ZEC. Seeing how the price and the market cap moved, and I definitely wouldn't hold it, that's for sure. In 5 days, there'll be an unlock of 2.81% of the market cap. That's 1.28% of the total supply. Investors is half of that. Is investors and early contributors. Oh, bro, get the fuck out of. What are you doing, dude? Don't buy this shit.